morning, friends, and today I'm going to discuss about decimals. So this is lesson 1 of the second quarter for Math 5. So this is about how to determine the place value of decimals, how to read decimals, and rounding off decimals. But before I start, I'd like to greet everyone a Happy New Year, Happy 2021. And buenas tardes to hermanos y hermanas all over the world, especially for my brothers and sisters in the Church of God in Brazil and in the Philippines. Okay, let's start on how to determine the place value of decimals. So, as you can see, I have here number 10.235. But in decimals, this will be read as 10 and 235 thousandths. So let's determine the place value. So again, we have here the decimal point. On the left side, on the decimal point, this place here is the ones place. This one is the tens place from the decimal point. This one is called the tenths place. This one is called the hundredths. This is the hundredths place. And this one is the thousandths. Point. The place value ends with THS. So tenths, hundredths, and thousands. And if one number is in here, this is the 10 thousandths place. Again, it ends with THS. Now, let's learn how to read decimals. So I have here an example. This is 8 and 124 thousandths. So as you can observe, the decimal point is read as and. 8 and. No. Okay, so again, the decimal point is read as and. So 8 and 124 thousandths. So as you can observe here, the place value is the place value of the last number here. So again, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is why we have here the thousands. So again, 8 and 124 thousandths. Okay, example number 2. Okay, we have here the decimal. So this will be read as 12 and 4,621 ten thousandths. So again, try to read this one. 12 and 4,621 ten thousandths. 10 thousandths because the last place value here is in the 10 thousandths place. Now we have here how to determine the place value of 6 in the following decimals. Okay, so as you can see in the instruction, we have to determine the value of 6 in these following decimals. So example number 1, this is 7 and 62 hundredths. So again, we have to determine the value of number 6. So here, 6 is in the tenths place. So the value of 6 here, or the place value of 6 here is in the tenths place. Okay, example number 2, 12 and 476 thousandths. So again, this is in the tenths, hundredths, thousands. So 6 here is in the thousandths place. Okay, number 3 example, 4 and 86 hundredths. So again, this is tens, this is hundredths. So 6 here is in the hundredths place. Okay, now we have to discuss this, give the place value and the value of 5. So number 1, we have here 1 and 51 hundredths. So let's give the place value of 5. So this is in the tenths place. So 5 here, the place value of 5 here is in the tenths place. And its value is 5 tenths. So the value of 5 here is 5 tenths. So this is the value. Okay, example number 2, 7 and 25 hundredths. So the place value is tenths, hundredths. So this is in the hundredths place. And the value of 5 here is 5 hundredths. Let's give another example. Example number 3. So again, give the place value and the value of 5. So 5 here is in the, again, tenths, hundredths, thousands. So the place value of 5 here is in the thousands place. And its value is 5 thousandths. Okay, rounding off decimals. Okay, we'll round off to the nearest hundredths. So this is the instruction. We'll round off these decimals to the nearest hundredths. So again, the first step is we have to read. So this is number 1. Number 1 is 91 and 7,392 10,000. So we will locate which number here is in the hundredths place. So again, this is the decimal point on the right side. This is tenths. This is hundredths. So 3 here is in the hundredths place. So again, the rule, see the number on the right of the hundredths place. So the number on the right side is 9. So the rule is if the number on the right side is more than 4, so we'll add 1 here. So 9 is more than 4, so we'll add 1 to number 3. So 3 plus 1, this will become 4. Then the next step is copy everything on the left. So 7, and then the decimal point, and 91. And what will happen to this number on the right from the hundredths place? This will be deleted. So this will become nothing. So the answer now here is 91 and 74 hundredths. Okay. Example number 2. 72 and 3,557 10,000ths. Again, we will round off to the nearest hundredth. So where's the hundredths place? Here. So this is tenths, this is hundredths. So look at the number on the right. So the number on the right is 5. Again, this is more than 4. So 5 is more than 4, so we will add 1 to 5. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. So copy everything on the left. So 3, decimal point, and 72. So these numbers here on the right will be deleted. So the answer in number 2 is 72 and 36 hundredths. Okay. Number 3, 817 and 3,091 10,000ths. So again, read the instruction. We will round off to the nearest hundredths. So the hundredths place here is 0. So this is tenths, this is hundredths. So again, look at the number on the right side of 0. That is number 9. So again, this is more than 4. So we will add 1 to 0. So 0 will become 1. Then copy everything on the left side. So 3, decimal point, and then 817. So again, these numbers here will become 0. So the answer in number 3 is 817 and 31 hundredths. Okay, let's proceed. Now, we'll round off these decimals to the nearest thousands. So, okay, let's start. Number 1. We have here 91 and 7,392 10,000ths. So again, the instruction is we will round off to the nearest thousands. So again, the first step is look where is the thousands place. So again, this is tenths, hundredths, this is thousands. So round off to the nearest thousands. Again, the same rule, look at the number on the right side. Okay, so this is number 2. Again, this is less than 5. So if the number on the right is less than 5, we will not add 1 here. So this will remain as 9. So copy everything on the left. Okay. And this number here will become 0. Or you can just place nothing there. Okay. So number 2, 72 and 3,557 ten thousands. Again, the thousands place. Where is the thousands place? So we have tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is the thousands place. Look at the number on the right. So this is 7. So 7 is more than 5. Again, if it is more than 4, I mean more than 4. If it is more than 4, we will add 1 here. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Copy everything on the left. Okay. And this will become 0. Or you can just place nothing there. So the answer here is 72 and 356 thousandths. Okay. Example number 3. 817 and 3,091 ten thousandths. So again, we will round off to the nearest thousand. So where's the thousands place? This is tens, hundreds, this is thousands. 9 is in the thousands place. So look at the number on the right side. So the number on the right is 1. So 1 is less than 5. So if it's less than 5, we will not add 1 here. So this will remain as 9. So again, copy everything on the left. So this will become 0. So the answer here is 817 and 309 thousandths. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something in this video. So if you learned something in this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And shout out to Team Donsky and shout out to all teachers of Babaguan Elementary School, especially to our school principal, Miss Glenda Pugoy. Thank you.